Hey, what is going on, guys? It is your boy, and I'm back again with another video. And this video is going to be an amazing one. It's the best method I've ever personally seen. That I got to check this method out. Um, and then making like thousands of dollars a month. I've made like 300 in like 3 days, so it's like like a hundred. So it's like 100 a day, $100 a day. Give away of some private methods that I use every single day to make over $10,000 a month. So yeah, guys, make sure you do that. All right, so getting straight into the video, you're gonna want to click the link in the description of this video, and it'll take you to this website and right here. So like, there's a lot going on this page right here. So this is a chat. Um, so like other people are talking. And this the top is basically where like people are making money. So yeah, you're gonna want to sign in, make an account, sir. All right, guys. So once you guys click the link in my description, you're gonna be taken to this website. So this website is magic, man. Like, you can be making like $120 per offer, man. Like, that's crazy. So once you scroll down a little bit, you can see a couple stats. So 17 minutes until the average user makes their first cash out, and $8 was the average earned by users yesterday. And this is very low. I feel like people don't really know what to do on here, which is why they're only making like $8. You can definitely be making like 800 if you put in enough effort. Um, so yeah, it's 27 million, I think, total money earned on here. Basically like how to get started. You guys can read this once you get on. But this is basically like the best website to be making money. A lot of good reviews. And I made sure I tested this website out before I showed it to you guys, so I can make sure that you guys ain't gonna get scammed and you guys are actually gonna be making money. All right, guys. So you guys want to come up here and you're gonna sign up. All right, so I've signed up already, and so this is the earn page. So you're gonna be taken straight here, and you're gonna be seeing all of this featured offers, TikTok. So you're gonna download TikTok and you're gonna make $2.40 just for downloading TikTok. Tide, $23, bro. Like $23, man. So you see a bit more Labros. You register. For this one, you gotta deposit. So I would avoid. You gotta deposit money into the account. So I would avoid this one. But like Mafia City, this is a game you gotta play it. I mean, it'll take a couple hours probably. So if you guys like playing, if you like playing games, then I would do it. But just gotta remember, it'll probably take a couple hours. Casino, I would avoid that one as well. For this one, just gotta buy some stuff on the app, I think. So, like, once you guys do these ones, then you guys can move on to these ones, and you guys be making a lot more money because you gotta actually purchase stuff. So yeah, so you got some partners down here, whatever. All right, these ones are good. Cool. All right, let's go to the next tab, offers. So this is basically like where the full list is. So like, you guys can come onto here and just like look and click the ones you want. Maybe you guys want to get started on the low ones like 10, $15, and then move up to like the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, then on to like the hundreds and 200s. All right, so these ones are so easy to do. I don't even need to show you guys. Like, it's so easy. Like, it explains everything. Let's move on to the cash out part. So you guys got PayPal, Bitcoin, Stake, Casino, Ethereum, all of this, and then gift cards, Amazon, Visa, Netflix, everything, man. Even as Fortnite. So I know a lot of you guys be playing Fortnite and shit. So if you guys want it, I mean, you get a couple V-Bucks for free, right? It's like you go on PayPal and you got $5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 75, 100, 200. And then, so like, that's where the coins are going to be, all right? So let's move on to the cash out. All right, leaderboard. See how much money these guys. So like, this guy made $50,000, man. Like 50,000, bro. That is crazy. And if you're on the leaderboard, you'd be making 500 a day, and you'd be getting 5,000 bonus if you get on here. So like this is the leaderboard in total. Like all these guys be making like thousands of dollars a month. Like it is absolutely crazy. So you got the rewards. So like if you be making like, if you come on this website every single day and you be making points, and you be getting rewards. So you be making more money every single day. That's how this way is basically how you be making like 5,000 a month. Every single day you get more and more. All right, affiliates. So I wouldn't really worry too much about this, because this isn't really how you be making a lot of money. Like the offers and stuff. But yeah, I would just wait until a bit until you guys get started into this. So yeah, guys, I've personally made 300 on this in the past week, and before that I've made 800 in like a couple days as well. That was on a different account though. An account got banned. Yeah, so that was on a different account though. I've withdrawn my money and it's in my bank account right now. So yeah, it is working. It's really good. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. And make sure to guys click the link in the description and check this out for yourself. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.